Today we want to use the ideas we looked at of being able to convert between exponential and logarithmic form yesterday in order to solve basic equations. The first type of equation we want to be able to solve is an equation that uses the property of equality for logarithms. That means if I have log base b of x equals log base b of y, then x has to equal y. Right? So log base 3 of x equals log base 3 of 7 tells me that x must equal 7. Right? If I have the same log part, I get to essentially ignore it or cancel it out. So if we take a look at a couple examples, sometimes we might end up with linear equations when I do that. So if log base 12 of 2x minus 3 equals log base 12 of x, then 2x minus 3 has to equal x. Right? This is a linear equation because it just has x to the first power. So I'm going to get my x's on the same side. And then divide by -1 to get that x equals 3. Now, log equations might have extraneous solutions. And those are going to happen anytime I try to take the log of a negative number. So I just have to double check if I put 3 in for x here that it doesn't make it a negative right after that log base 12. Or if I put in a 3 for x here that it doesn't make that a negative. Right, so here it would just be 3, that's positive. 2 times 3 is 6 minus 3 is positive. So this is okay. It's not an extraneous solution. And taking a look at one more example. We might also have a quadratic equation. So this time I see the same log on both sides, which means I get to ignore it or eliminate it. X squared plus 15 must be equal to negative 9x plus 1. If I get that equal to 0, since I have an x squared, by adding 9x and subtracting 1, I get x squared plus 9x plus 14 equals 0. What multiplies to 14 but adds up to 9? That would be 7 times 2. So this factors into x plus 7 times x plus 2, which means my solutions are x equals -7 and x equals -2. Am I allowed to have both of those solutions, or is one or both of them extraneous? I always want to check. If I put in -7, -7 squared plus 15 is 49 plus 15. It's a positive number. Oh, and on the other side, -9 times -7 plus 1, that's a positive number, so that means -7 works. What about -2? Right? If I put in -2 in both sides, does it make either of them negative? Right? So -2 squared plus 15, nope, that's positive, and -9 times -2 plus 1 is positive, so neither of those is an extraneous solution. Seeing if you could try a couple practice problems.